right. So let's continue on with our story. What do you think is going to happen next? All right, Glenn gets to hold the flag. I want to hold the flag, thinks Beth. All right, so what are the children in the class doing? How do you know? Well, the children are saying the Pledge of Allegiance. They have their hands over their hearts, and they are saying something as they look at the flag. So how do you think Beth feels? And why? Well, sad, because she wants to hold the flag. All right, I don't like this plant, thinks Beth. I want a new job. So, why do you think Beth doesn't like the plant? Well, she doesn't like the plant because it doesn't move like a rabbit, or it's not interesting. So, what is happening to the plant that Beth is watering, and how can you tell? Well, the plant is growing. I can tell because the plant is taller on this page than before. So, how can you tell that this story is a realistic fiction? Well, the people are like real people and they are doing jobs like we do in our classroom. Look at this flower, Beth, says Mr. Hall. Oh my, says the class. So, what has happened to the plant Beth watered during the week? Well, the plant grew a flower. So, why is the class gathered around the plant? Well, the flower is beautiful and they all want to see it. So how has Beth helped the plant this week? Well, she watered the plant, which helped it grow and bloom. Oh my, says Beth. How did that get there? This job is the best. Beth likes her job at last. So why does Beth think her job is the best now? Well, Beth likes the flower that the plant grew. So what has happened in this story since Beth got her job? Well, at first, Beth didn't like her job. She wishes she had all the other jobs. And then after the plant blooms, Beth decides her job is the best one. All right, so the beginning of her story, Beth's job is to water the plants, and she is not happy about having that job. In the middle, Beth wants everyone else's job. At the ending, she thinks her job is the best because her flower bloomed. All right, so let's answer some questions. How does Beth feel about her job when the story begins? Well, Beth does not like her job in the beginning. And then how does she feel at the end? Well, at the end, she thinks her job is the best because her plant blooms. All right, let's look at number 2. What is one thing Beth does to help the plant? Well, she waters it every day. Okay? All right, why do you think Beth wants to help with the eggs? Well, Beth thinks helping with the eggs is more fun. All right, and then number 4. How does Beth's job make the classroom a better place? Well, Beth's job makes the classroom nicer because she helps the plant grow a pretty flower. All right, let's go over some vocabulary. A duty is a job you have. Envy is you want something that someone else has, like Beth, she wanted everybody else's job. And the resent, if you feel that person is being treated better or more fairly than you could resent that person. All right, so details. What are 3 story details from Beth's job? Well, first, Beth's job is to water the plants. Second, she wants her other classmates' jobs. And third, Beth's plant grew into a flower. All right, so now it's your turn. You're going to choose any book that you have read, and you're going to write 3 details about the book in complete sentences, okay? So you can choose any book, and then I want you to write 3 details about the book in complete sentences. Make sure that each sentence starts with a capital letter and a punctuation. If you have any questions, let me know. Also, make sure that you put it in your own words. All right. Let me know if you need any help.